Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai desserts. It's called Krong Krang น้ำกะทิ It's a tropical flour dumpling shaped like a gnocchi in sweet coconut milk. This dessert is very easy and use only few ingredients. Normally we use the rice flour to make these desserts, but today I will use tapioca flour because it make like clear color and also it's sticky. So let's get started. First we need to boil the water to be very hot with the color as we want. Today I use the yellow, blue and pink color. And for the water the quantity is quite same with the quantity of the flour. Today we use 50 gram of water and use the 50 gram of the water. But when we mix the water with the flour, we need to add a little bit in the time of the water. Don't add it all because maybe it make it too wet. And use spatula to mix until the dough is combined well together. And then continue to knead it until the dough is smooth. When the dough is ready, you can see it's like this. It's more sticky. And then wrap with the plastic wrap for protect the air. Today we will do like a rainbow or the colorful color, and we use the three color, and then we continue to mix the same method with the first one. And now we get the three color of the dough, and then we need to make the line of each color. And then we make the color as we like a blue, yellow and pink, or pink, blue, yellow. It's up to you. And then make it stick together by press the three of the line. And then cut to be the little pieces. For me, I use like the size is about 1 centimeter. This one is the mold for this desserts, or you can use the mold from the gnocchi. It's the same. And just put the dough and use the finger like this and roll the desserts or roll the dough, and then we get like this. If you don't have this equipment, you can use the fork replacement by put the same method like this. If you don't like the colorful like this, you can change to only one color and do the same method. And then we prepare the roast sesame by use only low heat to make it like a yellow gold. Then we put the water into the pot to a boil. Boil the dough until it's cooked by we put in the very hot water, and when the dough is on top of the water, and then we count for the 4 minutes after, and then it's finished. You can see now all of the dough is up on the water, and then we count for 4 minutes until it's cooked. And prepare with the cold water with the ice like this, and after completely 4 minutes, and then we remove the dough and put in the cold water, and then our dough is changed to the transparent color. It's so nice color, you can see this. But if you want the less color, you can, it's up to you when you mix the color. The next one, we need to make the coconut milk. We boil the coconut milk with the water. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. We're gonna use the coconut milk for 150 gram and water 50 gram, and then boil it and put the sugar for about 50 gram and salt for quarter teaspoon, and then mix it until the sugar is dissolved. And until the coconut milk start boiling, we put the Krong Krang or put the desserts that we prepared before in coconut milk and stir well together. and then we put sesame seed on top. And now it's ready. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. It's delicious and it's easy, and also it use only less ingredients. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.